Good evening, guys. My name is Ben, and I am a senior mentor here at ITPM. I come from the professional world of institutional trading and portfolio management. And I've really been involved in the markets for a while. It's been close to 25 years by now. So it's been a trip. I'm not going to bore you too much with my background. I just really wanted to introduce a webinar I have coming up. It's a free webinar this next Saturday on April 20th, 9 a.m. Eastern. It's called How to Make Serious Money in a Bull Market. So speaking of markets, it's been it's been interesting lately. It's been a lot of major swings, rotations. So I hope you guys have been dialed into that, making some serious money. Anyway, this webinar is only available for ITPM first timers. Okay, so if you've done this before, it's not for you. As well, to give you a glimpse into how we teach professional level trading and portfolio management using options. So we are a school, okay, that we focus on macro and fundamental research to stock picking that we then apply using options. Long, short option structures is what we focus on, trying to keep a market agnostic exposure most of the time. I'm going to give you guys a peek into what a professional kind of process looks like. And it all starts by dissecting the macro data and then digging into the fundamental research. But we also look at the technicals and timing and nail down the option structuring. And it all kind of fits together into this complete approach. So if you're interested in learning how to trade like a professional hedge fund manager, then dial into my webinar on Saturday. It's going to be interesting for sure. I'll see you on the other side.